economy back home. Can you tell us 2 or 3 things we can do as diaspora to support you as our leaders so that we can see change? You know, what can we do to drive? What are the 2 or 3 things we can do to drive our country to change?
We said be part of the political movement in Kenya, contribute to policies, contribute to mobilizing the people through word of mouth, and contribute to building the political parties through cash donations. However small, haba na haba, hujaza kibaba. When it's done by a majority, it's easy, it's painless. And that is the culture we want to build back home. We have started it, but you will help us a great deal by reinforcing it, word of mouth. And any other way you think you can support, please support. But whatever party you join, please be active by sending in your ideas on things that come up. We do not seek to lead because we have a monopoly of ideas. We lead better when we involve more people and use all the human resources available. Karibuni sana, ni nchi yetu, tushikamane, tufanye together. Unite, liberate.
Thank you, Tumpige Iron Lady Makofi. Yeah, I'm just standing here. My name's Bishop Alex Mutua, and I'm also the chairman of the Kamba community here in Washington. Yeah, hi cousins. I'm just standing here for one thing, just to give vote of thanks, not to give another opportunity for